In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Snapchat verification code not arriving. First, you want to turn on the airplane mode. Turn it on for a few seconds. After that, turn it back off. This refreshes your mobile and Wi-Fi connection, which can help if there is a temporary network issue. Next, if you're using a VPN, disconnect it completely. Snapchat may block verification attempt if it detects unusual or mismatched IP address. If you're having trouble receiving the verification code by text message, check your messaging settings. On some devices, you can open your messaging settings and refresh your SMS option. You should also check your messaging app's block numbers or spam section to make sure Snapchat's verification messages aren't being filtered or blocked. If you are still not receiving the code, the problem may be due to temporary Snapchat server issue or delay with your mobile carrier. In that case, wait and request for a new verification code later. If the issue continues, make sure your phone number is entered correctly and that you have a stable mobile signal capable of receiving SMS messages. That's how you can fix the Snapchat verification code not arriving issue. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.